So yun, lalayas na naman tayo. Today is Thursday, November 7th, 7:31 AM. So ngayon naglalakad ako papuntang Parañaque Integrated Terminal. Punta tayo ngayon ng Silang Cavite. Tapos siguro daan tayo ng 13 pabalik, tapos uwi na tayo. Yun yung target goal natin. Siguro nga isang oras biyahe or dalawa, tapos 9. Yun na lang natin. Basta goal natin yun for today. Kahit paano, basta mapunta tayo sa City Hall dun sa dalawa. Unahin muna natin yung sa Silang kasi mas malayo yun para sa 13. Tapos yun natin, game plan natin for tomorrow. Yun lang.
But when you call, you attempt it. Come, let me show you a template. I had to grow out the concrete. I had to stroll through the trenches.
Walk pa rin. 4 minutes na naglalakad. Okay pa naman. Breakfast na rin pala ako. Actually wala nga akong tulog eh. So di ko alam kung paano magiging function ko the entire day. Kasi wala akong tulog. Pero tingnan, baka matulog tayo sa biyahe. Yan pala yung yung ginagawang LRT. Yun. So sana this month maging functional na siya. Kasi magiging sobrang malaking tulong yun. Ayun. Even though nandito lang naman siya sa Parañaque yung unang magbubukas. Di ba? Malaking bagay niya yun. Kasi yun, dito ako dadaan mamaya dyan sa tulay na yan. Sa highway na yan. Yun. Mga konti na lang. Malapit na tayo sa PTEX. Yun, medyo malapit-lapit na sa PTEX. Siguro 2-minute walk pa. Yun. Ayan, dito na ako sa PTEX. And hanapin ko na lang yung gate. Saan gate sa loob. Feeling ko nga sa taas eh. Tanong na lang ako. Ayan.
Some incredible, just let them hear all of it. The good, the bad, the ugly, the strong, the weak. It's me, the thought of it. All the portrayals of anything different are fraudulent. You wanna tap into your greatness, well this is the starter kit. The fall off how many of these bullets can fit in the cartridges. I'm letting them off with intentions to rip through your cartilage. My nigga just told me you tripping for thinking of calling quits.
No lie, God is good for real. I'm just sitting here asking myself, the was I even doing here? Fresh out the hospital bed, one to the back, arm in the...
Nasa Silang Cavite, medyo namagpas ako ng kasi nakatulog ako eh. Pero, siguro CR muna dito sa Macdo. Tapos, lakad pupunta doon sa City Hall.
But what is greatness? Nah, we live.
Malayo-layo yung lakad. And sa totoo lang, di ko alam kung paano umuwi. Mabalik ng Manila or tawan.
I was in West Oakland, California when I found out about a piece of me. All this solitude around, I'm starting to see when I'm alone the shit I think. I come from the part of town I talked about was out the outline, if you lean. I can't go outside today, that shine a fade and that go along with my pee. All these energies and entities and people that you want shit from me. I can't make this up the luxury.
lakad tayo palabas. Silang, yun. Thank you for accommodating me, Amayan.
And then in the Ziploc, went and got a wristwatch, cop another wristband. Anytime I risk my life, clocking out the TikTok, watch it all on TikTok. I'm willing to bet it all, I'm willing to risk my life. And then in the Ziploc, went and got a wristwatch, cop another wristband. Anytime I risk my life, clocking out the TikTok, watch it all on TikTok. I'm willing to bet it all, I'm willing to risk my life. Yeah. I was in Bronx, New York when I decided this the type of life that I live. I made sacrifices, what the fuck you writing for? You know you do not give. I got right back on my feet.
City Hall.
Took a couple years for me to feel like I did not fall up on all deaf ears. Niggas wanna wait, but I call that fear. At least I got a place for if all else fails. Nigga, I went on a date, told her call that live. I told her lose my line, then don't call back here. Yeah, I'm about to lose my mind, I got all that care. Hey, listen to me rhyming, can't hold back tears. Gamble on a life, but it won't be fair. Trade it off for some sand and a beach chair. And then in the Ziploc, went and got a wristwatch, cop another wristband. Anytime I risk my life, clocking out.
So, yun. Tapos lang dito sa CTSS or ay sa planning, city planning. And diretso ko ngayon sa may Naik naman. And kuha naman doon ng lupa. Sana meron. Diba? Try natin. CDPC, CLUP, Naik. Tara. Hello, yan. Nakarating na tayo ng Naik. Mga 30 minutes din yung biyahe. Okay rin. Mabilis na naman. Yun daw na 12 kilometers yun. So yun, dito naman tayo sa Naik. City Hall, Manggugulo.
I wanna go, baby, but I've got to be getting on home. I've already overstayed my time, baby. I'll be back tomorrow night. But until then, let me go. Let me go.
Yan, ganyan na si Pitex. Pero labas tayo sa kabila. Magla-lunch muna. Yan. Alas 3 na ako natapos sa dito.
Knew what we were getting into, baby. So just try to understand.
Ayun na. Tapos ako kumain sa McDo. Ayun tayo, pauwi na sa Parañaque. Ito, buti may bus. Yun, hello. Kagaba ko lang ng bus. Tulog ako buong biyahe, di na ako video masyado. Dito ako ngayon sa may Vitex. Pauwi. Lakad lang ako pauwi. Anong oras ba? It's 17:12. And siguro mga 15 minutes walk pauwi. Yun. Hi. Yun lang. Eh.
Listen to me, baby. I got to go. I got to go. Let me go. Oh, baby. Let me say.